Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Chevy fob. So first off, we're going to open up the key right here, and then we're going to come over here to the side and we're going to just use our thumbs right here. Just pop that up ever so easy. And then this is going to be a CR2032 battery. So we're going to push down and up, and then it will release the CR2032 battery. And then we're going to put the new one in, and we're going to put it bottom side down, so letters facing up, plus up. So then we're going to just push in just like this, and then we're going to push in and then sort of pull back a little bit, and then it'll be held in there by that little edge. And then we're going to put our back cover back on, and we'll put this side on, opposite side of where the blade comes out, and just wait for that snap. Make sure it's snapped on both sides, and there you go.